Yo, what is going on, everyone? How's it going, my fellow collectors? This is Reagan, and welcome back to yet another unboxing and review video. And today is a very special day because today is the first day of Star Wars celebration. Actually, earlier, yeah, live, we're gonna unbox and probably a quick review on this newly released figure of Hot Toys. And this is none other than Star Wars Darth Vader Sith apprentice or Dark Side Anakin Skywalker, kind of like that. And of course, this is a Hot Toys exclusive, only not well, actually not only here in Japan, but probably they're gonna open it in other country. So only 1,500 pieces released here in Japan, and I'm really lucky and I'm really happy to share with you guys this one. Really lucky to grab one of this exclusive figure here in Japan of Hot Toys. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited to share with you guys this one. And before we start, if you're new here to our channel, please consider to subscribe and press the notification bell as well if you want to get notified once I upload a new video, especially Hot Toys. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in. Oh my goodness, I could smell the figure. Ooh. Right, so this is the art box. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, it looks pretty good. Of course, we can still see some scratches, but yeah, the design, the look, the red color ish on the somehow the background, the design, the effects coming from the lightsaber. That looks pretty nice. The font, yes, there you go. I haven't received or haven't received any notification from my standard edition Anakin artisan edition as well. Probably later, because I ordered late. Anyway, yeah. So we're not gonna talk about that. So we're gonna talk about this Darth Vader Sith Apprentice. I'm really excited to share with you guys. So let's slide this one so we can see what's the main art box. So this is the hardcover print. There you go. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. I mean, like, I'm not sure about the, of course, I don't have the artisan, standard artisan edition of Anakin Skywalker, but this one's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that reddish color. Kind of like I can really see the Star Wars celebration, if vibe, something like that. Looks really cool. Look at that. That is amazing. Also, the back, the wrap texture of the box, amazing as well. The font, everything looks fantastic, in my honest opinion. And there you go. So we're gonna slide it up. Oh shit! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Bam! Oh my gosh. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, I can smell the cardboard. So anyway, all right, so this is this is the cover. So that's the first cover print, and we got the main art cover print right here, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that head sculpt. Oh my goodness. Ooh, BX47 Artisan Edition. You lack conviction, Darth Vader. Oh my gosh, nice one. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. That is amazing. So we got, I think this is I'm not 100% sure. I'm not really sure about this one, but probably this is the Japan exclusive accessory. So probably in other countries, probably in Hong Kong, they're not gonna give something like this. So this one comes with only here in Japan version or edition. And yeah, this is kind of like a front back drop. Okay, so probably not gonna display this one, but at least showing you guys. So this is made out of cardboard material. Yeah, so not plastic. Okay, and there you go. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. That is absolutely amazing. Oof. Anyway, let's remove this. Right, pretty cool. The standard deluxe artisan edition packaging. So we got two packaging right here. So this is for the body. Ah my gosh, beautiful. Some description as well here at the bottom. Okay, let me remove this one first. Let me show you guys very quick. Bam. So this is the body, probably the same with the standard artisan edition of Anakin. So yeah, there you go. Amazing. This is amazing. Nice quality as well. I think this is still, I forgot already if this is genuine leather, but yeah, you can comment down below if you guys already receive your artisan edition version. And we got the second packaging right here, including the which is the coat or the Jedi robe right here. And then we got the instruction sheet right here, so probably the same with others. And of course, the accessories, the weapons, the hands, and the artisan edition head sculpt right there. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited to show you guys. Let me open this one first. Right there. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna start with this one right here on this side. So we got two pieces of extra joints. Okay, and we got, of course, the tools, or I mean some parts for the LED light up function connector. Okay, and of course the tool for the separate rolling eyeballs. We got three pairs, actually not three pairs, so we got two pieces of left hand right here, extra left hand, pair of fist gesture right here, and holding the lightsaber hilt gesture right here. And then next up, we got extra one piece of, yes, two finger point, something like a gesture. And then we got the cyborg arm of Anakin Skywalker right here, and with some articulated function as well. Bam, amazing, nice. Okay, there you go. And we got the base right here, beautiful base. I think yeah, this is pretty much the same with the standard artisan edition of Anakin Skywalker. Beautiful prints and details, absolutely fantastic. We got lightsaber effects right here. We got two motion effects. So we got two colors. So we got the red color and of course the blue color right here. Okay, nice. And we got the two lightsaber hilt right here, one with the LED light up function, and of course one with the normal one, okay, without the LED light up effects. Okay, and then lastly for this one, this is the I forgot how you're going to call this one, the hook that you're going to attach to the lightsaber hilt for you to be able to attach it to his belt. Okay, and last but definitely not the least, oh my goodness, the head sculpt of artisan edition Darth Vader. Darth Vader Sith apprentice. So you could remove this plastic as well for you to be able to see clearly what's inside. I mean, like the inside look. But of course, we could take it out this one. There's, well, yeah, I forgot to remove this one. There's extra tape, so you won't accidentally pull, the cover. So we're gonna remove this one slowly. Ooh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. The facial expression. It's all about the facial expression, guys. So it's totally different head sculpt from the standard edition. Right, so let me remove this one slowly. I forgot already how to remove this one. Yeah. Yes, you have to do it slowly. Uh-huh. Yes, there you go. Ooh, that's quite scary, guys. But yeah, good thing doesn't have any plastics now. I mean, like on the legs and on the arms as well, or on the hands. So I'm just gonna remove this one right here in the neck part. Ooh, that's pretty tight. Is um still tucked, to the head. What I mean is it's not. I think you could add some extra style on the head if you want to, uh, give him more better look. I would say, you know. Okay, there you go. I heard that click or pop. That sounds, but I think it's fine. You could add some extra, hair look or hairstyle. Yeah, see? So you could add more here, but I'm not sure because for sure this is the, well, not prototype, but probably the main artist style. So here is still fixed, to the head. So you could do extra, what's this, like, position on the hair. So yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, you could add some extra style here. But anyway, So yeah, it's up to you how you're going to style your, I mean, your artisan edition. But yes, there you go. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that, guys. Nice. That head sculpt. Oh my goodness. Aside from spot on, the expression, I think it looks absolutely incredible, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Nice. Okay, so let me clear this one first. But wait, I forgot to show you guys this robe. Let me show you guys very, very quick. I think the robe is pretty much the same with the other Anakin Skywalker figure, especially even the, you know, the sculpted version. Okay, or probably like lighter or thinner, I would say. Yeah, kind of like thinner, but it's almost the same, you know, I would say. Anyway, so I'm gonna place it in here. All right, let's check very quick the articulation. Just very quick one, guys. You know, some range of motion tests. You know, but for sure, it's pretty much the same with other artisan, or I mean, like Anakin Skywalker figure. I could really feel, you know, and yeah, from the head, I think it's fine. Look down. Ooh, that is a really, really big range of motion right there. Then look up. There you go. Nice, fantastic. And then yeah, twist, tilt side to side. Yeah, amazing, amazing articulation and a range of motion and the neck and head swell, front. Ooh, this one, yes, I think it's fine. Other side, ah, nice one as well. All the way up right there to the back. Other side, bam, swivel, quick elbows, double jointed, nice body. For sure, there's some twist on this one. Yeah, standard, crunch in, fantastic, perfect. Yeah, I would say like a good, great articulations in the upper body as well. Legs 90 degrees, the back, quick one, open, knees, nice, fantastic. And of course, the joint on the ankle. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. The sideways articulation. Ooh, nice. Oops. Wait, it looks like it's removed from the. There you go. Yeah, it is removed from the joint. Ooh, that's not. It's so easy to remove. Hmm. Anyway, so yeah, I think that's it for the articulation and range of motion test. I think it looks great. It looks incredible. You're gonna, you know, have a chance, or you know, to do some great dynamic poses on this figure. Okay, I think that's it. And not gonna be able to try the light up function, but once I get back to Hong Kong, I will try that, you know, those light up function or LED light up function, and then poses probably some a little bit. Gonna try my best later, and then I think that's it. You know, oops, I forgot. Where's the? I think I forgot this one. Oh my goodness. Yes, I forgot the holder. There you go. I forgot the crutch holder. So if you're going to put him here, fantastic. That is amazing. That is absolutely incredible, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Right? Anyway, okay. And the details, I think, looks pretty good. From the boots, this is pretty soft. Leather, it looks like a genuine leather to me. I mean, like probably like high quality leather material, and yeah, it looks really good. Kind of like a quite thin, you know, quality. And then the pants looks good as well. And then right here, the tunic, nice, but pretty much the same with the older version. And then yeah, the inner tunic as well, I think looks great. Yeah, this one looks great. The quality looks a bit different, you know, from the old version. And yeah, this one, the gauntlets, and I think that's it. Yeah, we could actually change this one, but of course I'm not gonna do that. I think it's fine. And we got the robe right here. You could attach. It has some wire embedded right here on the neck, also on the edge of the hood. Yeah. Okay. got wire, and then of course the lightsaber effects right here. There you go. Nice one. Okay. And then what else? I think that's it. I think that's about it. Yeah, I think for sure you could easily remove this one. You know, let me try very quick, but probably hard, to do that. Let's see. Usually it's easy, but probably it's still new. So here you go. Yeah, it should be reversed. Sometimes I always actually in a subtype, but usually forgot how to remove uh some parts of the body. There you go. So we got the hand, and that's it. That's it. Again, the head sculpt, absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. That eyes with that separate rolling eyeballs. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me show you guys very quick on the eyes. Wow. Other side. Yes. All right. My goodness, that is beautiful. Okay, there you go. Quick one for the head. Hmm. There you go. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Right. I think that's about it, for the quality. Just a quick review, I would say. Probably not a quick one, but again, oof, really happy to share with you guys this really quick unboxing and a first look impression with this newly released figure of Hottoys live again, all the way from Japan. Oh my goodness, this is really, really amazing. Again, I really love this figure. I mean, especially the head sculpt. Like, I'm really excited to get my standard edition, or artisan edition, Anakin Skywalker, rooted hair. But unfortunately, I pre-ordered late, so that's why until now it's still not with me. I still haven't received any notification to get that or pick up that. But at least I'm really happy to be able to grab one of this exclusive first day. The first day release. You know, Again, let me know what you think about this figure, and comment down below. And if you like this video, just don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, until then, see you on the next one. Right, peace, peace, peace out, guys.